Welcome to another Tap Connections video tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to add a new Tap device to your existing Tap profile. Let's say you already had a Tap card and now you got a Tap coin, and you want them both linked to your same Tap profile. This can be done in a few steps. Start by tapping your new Tap device with your smartphone, and now tap on the link that shows up on your screen. You will be automatically redirected to our Tap portal where you'll have two options. In this case, because we want to add the new device to the same profile we already created, tap the Link to Existing Profile button, and you'll be redirected to the next page, where you will have to enter your username and password. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions to continue. Now just tap on the Sign Up button, and that's it. Your new Tap device is now linked to the same Tap profile as your previous Tap device. Please be advised that this process cannot be reversed. If you want to create a new Tap profile for your new Tap device, that's possible as well. Simply select the Create New Profile button on the first screen. If you have any questions, make sure to check all our other video tutorials or contact us directly. Both options are available on our website, tapconnections.net. Thank you for watching, and remember, Tap is all you need. Tap Connections. Networking elevated.